Hello children, welcome to Learn with Fun. Today's our topic is services of our neighborhood. In this we are going to learn about our neighbors, our neighborhood, various services in the neighborhood, exercises and activities on our neighborhood. We live in a society. We live with our family in a house. Many other families also live near our house. These families are our neighbors. Neighbors play an important role in our social life. Good neighbors make our life pleasant. It is very much important to have good neighbors. We should always help our neighbors and share things with them. Neighborhood means any area which is near or around our house. There are many important places near our house. These places give us very useful, important services. These services make our neighborhood a better place to live in. There can be many houses, buildings, shops and factories around our house. All these places form our neighborhood. Some important services in our neighborhood are market, police station, fire station, post office, bank, clinic or hospital, pharmacy, restaurant, park, library, school. Now children, let us have a look at each one of them in detail. First one, market. The market is usually a busy place. There are many shops and stalls in the market. Many things are available in the market. We purchase many things from the market. Some markets are big and some are small. We can buy fruits, vegetables, clothes, books, toys, machines, tools and many other necessity items from the market. Next, police station. Every neighborhood has a police station. Police station is a place where police works. Many policemen are on duty outside the police station. They are seen near our houses, in the market and other places. They help us to maintain law and order. They look after the people, their belongings and keep us safe. A policeman catches the thieves and robbers and takes them to the police station. Traffic police will control the traffic on the roads. Next, fire station. There is a fire station in every city. When there is a major fire, we call the fire station to put off the fire. A fire station has fire engines, long water pipes and ladders. Firemen reach the place where the fire has broken out and help to set off the fire. They use long ladders and water hoses to put out fire. Next, post office. Post office is an important place. We can buy stamps, envelope, inland letters and postcards from the post office. We can also send letters, parcels, telegrams, registered post to our friends and relatives through post office. We can send money from one place to another by money order through post office. We put the letter in the letter box. The postman collects the letters from the post box and delivers to the written address. We can also deposit our money for a fixed period in the post office as we do in a bank. Next one, bank. A bank is a place where people can deposit their money and gold. Bank keeps them safe. We can take them whenever we need. The bank pays interest on this money. Clinic or hospital is a place where people go for treatment when they fall ill. The doctor will examine the patient and also gives medicines. Clinic is a small place whereas hospital is big. Hospital is a place where people who are very sick are admitted. A small hospital is called a dispensary. There are many doctors, nurses and other staff members in the hospital. Many patients are there in a hospital. The doctors give them medicines and injections according to their illness. Nurses will take care of patients. An ambulance is used to take patients to the hospital. Now, pharmacy. Pharmacy is a place where we buy medicines. Pharmacists gives us medicines which are prescribed by the doctors. A pharmacy is also known as a medical store. A restaurant is a place where we go to eat food on special occasions or simply to relax and enjoy. Every neighborhood also has a restaurant. We get variety of food items in a restaurant. We can go to a restaurant and eat or even order a home delivery. In a restaurant, chef prepares the food and the waiter serves the food to us. Now, park. A park is a place where people go to walk, play, run and relax. Children have fun on swings, slides and seesaws. A library keeps books and magazines on many subjects of different languages. People visit library to read books, newspaper and magazines. People also borrow books from here. Now, school. School is a place where children go to learn how to read and write. They also learn good habits and good manners in the school. All these neighborhood services are very useful to us. We should make our neighborhood a better place to live in. Now, points to remember. Neighbors are the families who live near our house. We should love and respect our neighbors. A good neighborhood provides many useful and important services. Here ends today's topic, services in our neighborhood. Children, now we will start some exercises on this topic. Answer in one word. Buying fruits and vegetables. Children, tell me where we buy fruits and vegetables? Yes, we buy fruits and vegetables from the market. Thieves are taken there. Where do thieves are taken? Thieves are taken to the police station. People keep money. Come on, tell me, where do people keep money? Yes. People keep money in bank. A place for walking and playing. What is the place where we walk and play? Yes. Park. Where do we borrow books? We borrow books from the library. A place where we can buy stamps. Where do we buy stamps? In the post office. Now let us summarize. Buying fruits and vegetables in market. Thieves are taken there. Police station. People keep money in bank. A place for walking and playing. Park. Borrowing books. Library. A place where we can buy stamps. Post office. Our next exercise is who works at the following places. Come on children, tell me who works in the police station? Yes, the policeman works in the police station. Next, who works in a hospital? Doctors works in a hospital. Next, who works in a library? A librarian works in a library. Who works in the fire station? A fireman works in the fire station. Last one. Who works in a traffic signal? Yes. Traffic police works in a traffic signal. Now let us summarize. The police station, policeman, a hospital, doctor, a library, librarian, the fire station, fireman, a traffic signal, traffic police. Children, here ends today's exercises on services in our neighborhood. Now I will give you some activity on this topic. Find the meaning of the following with the help of a dictionary. Tick the ones which are near to your house. Grocery store, chemist, stationery shop, confectioner, departmental store. Children, you have to find the meaning of these words with the help of a dictionary. And also you have to tick the ones which are near to your house. Here ends today's topic, services in our neighborhood. In the next session, I will come with an other interesting topic. Till then, children, take care. Please subscribe my channel and share my videos. Thank you.